Guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another dental assisting video. Today's video is going to be a kind of a day in my life / work with me. So right now I'm just setting up for an extraction. So I'm getting out my needles, my lidocaine, my topical stick, my suctions, my elevators, my periosteel, my 41 that helps place the bone, and I think that is a 150. If you didn't know, 150 is for maxillary and 151 is for the mandibular, and those are the most popular forceps that doctors like to use. Sometimes we do use sutures. In this case we didn't have to. So right now I am just cleaning up this mess. Extractions are like the messiest things to clean up. You can have blood splatter in places you would never think there's blood splatters, so you really have to make sure that you clean really good. Well, you have to do that anyways, but with extractions, just be really careful. It's very important that you run your lines after an extraction. You can't see in this clip, but I do have mine running under the sink just to get any blood out before I do the actual cleaning through the sections, the solution. But yes, I like to run my sections under the sink with hot water before I actually run it through with the cleaning solution. I didn't show me doing the cleaning solution because I've done that in other videos, but if you guys want to see me do that, I will link the video below where I did that. And how I like to clean my rooms, I know everyone does it differently, but I like to turn my chair cover inside out, put all of the trash that I have in there that's throwawayable. I take all my instruments, put it on the tray that is on the operative side, and I take those instruments and take it to sterilization, and then I come back, put new gloves on, spray the room, and then wipe everything down. And then once I wipe everything down, I spray with Lysol, let the room sit for 5 minutes if I have time, and then I go ahead and put barriers on everything. Next I am setting up for a crown prep and a crown seat. Comment down below some tooth emojis if you guys are still watching, and also be sure to subscribe and make sure you like this video. So next we're gonna get into ordering supplies. So I always have an order list, and as you can see, that's my order list right there. And we order from Patterson. So I'm gonna go through my list, type in what I need, add it to my cart, and then at the end I'll show you guys my budget and how much I spent. And there is a quicker way to do this. I can just go through the list of things that I've already ordered in the past, but for the sake of this video to show you guys, I'm just gonna do it the longer way. And as you can see, I'm just gonna cross off every single time I put something in a cart, so that way I don't get anything mixed up or confused. And this is the cement, crown and bridge cement that we use. I love it, and we have no problems with crowns coming off. But comment down below the type of crown and bridge cement you guys use. into my budget and how much I've spent. So my budget is $2,000. I've already spent this month $339, and after my total I will have $276 left if I need to buy anything else. So yeah, I think that total goes on to the next month. And here's all my supplies. This is some of it that came in. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.